Hi everyone, my name is Rishi. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today on the talk show we have Raghul Kumar, who was part of the Digital Scholars 3 months advanced program in the offline world. And welcome to the show, Raghul.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rishi. So once again, happy morning. Yes, Rishi, I'm Rahul.
So can you introduce yourself, Raghul?
Yeah, sure. So this is me, Rahul Kumar. So and I was a mechanical engineer. And I pursued, in the mechanical industry for almost 2 years. And yeah, that's what. And currently, I am a digital marketing analyst right now, and I'm working in O3M directional marketing company, and things are going well. So yes.
Superb, Raghul. So what was your idea of doing the 3 months course with Digital Scholar? Why did you choose us? Why did you choose digital marketing?
Yes, that's an interesting question actually. So things we might have a one future focus, right? So things always change. We might plan something, but things will go in a different way. So likewise, this is how Digital Scholar happened to me. And to be frank, I don't know anything about digital schooling. I am zero in digital marketing. One day I was like, I am 27 right now, and you know the situations, right? So I'm not in a perfect field or something. So I was in a situation, and that day my brother, came into the picture. Like he attended the orientation, and then he explained how digital marketing is. On that day, I missed out the first orientation day, and and then he explained what I do is like I always focus on the future. I don't simply go in and this is how it works. If something is worked for me, I don't follow that. I just research, okay, whether it will be good for me or it will be good for my future or something. So likewise, and then I sat down and I made a structure. So what is digital marketing? And then I researched something, and then I came to the point, okay, the digital marketing is booming right now, and it will be good for me. Maybe that I might have a bright future. Even though I am 27, it's pretty normal. If you want to stand, you need to fight for it, right? So dedication is most important in this kind of way. So and then I realized, okay, why don't I give a try? Without giving a try, how could I say no? I might say, hey, oh, so sorry. So what digital marketing is like? No, I can't simply say that. You need to try, and then you can say like whether it is good or not. So that is how I went to digital marketing, and I mean digital scholar. So and then I joined on the first day. Is it okay if I share the experience in the digital?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Please
Yeah.
share your experience. We would love to hear.
Yes. So when I entered the research colony, everyone is, there are some experienced people there, and even I can see the small kids, like, even they're 15, they're allowed to, learn digital marketing. That's how it is. That is the place where there is no qualification needed. So here the age doesn't matter. So anything doesn't matter. So only the talent matters, I can say. So, and then whenever I go to a new place, I always listen carefully. Okay, that is how I listened, and I analyze the situations going on around me. And on the initially I can say like it was everything is new to me. It was like I am in a different world, right? So after that, after I listened and I went to one point. Every day I'm learning something new. Initially it was I was lazy before, I can say, like, and then I in some kind of way I felt like why these people are giving me so much of tasks, or uh, in that kind of way. And after that I realized, without assigning those tasks and without I do any of this, I'm not here right now. I mean, in the company. So things will be like that. You need to adapt in that kind of way. Don't think like why they guys are forcing me or something, but be in your way. You need your dedication. If you do so, you will achieve your dream. I can say like
Wow.
yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Raghul, you just shared your story about your journey with Digital Scholar. You loved it, and there is definitely no age barrier here. There's no boundaries, right? Everybody is learning together, and this is applicable for every age group that comes to Digital Scholar. And also in your life, this is one skill that you need to master altogether. Now the question is, what were few subjects that you loved the most, and you were like, wow, this was the best moment of my 3 months with Digital Scholar?
Yeah, so I can clearly say, like, whenever every weekday comes, right? I am a weekend batch student, and whenever one week comes, if you guys teach about, something like maybe I can say like website creation, I will imagine in my world, like, so one day I will become a website builder like that. And at the very next week, we will be having a content writing or something, Google Ads or something. Every day it will be like our dream, our goal will change. It happens in everyone's life, right? So it was like me only. And one time we might feel like, okay, there are a lot of fields here. oh, this is not the digital marketing. There are a lot of different fields. There are, if I take Google ads, there is a lot of profession. Only Google AdWords we can do a lot. SEM, SMM. So there are a lot of things out there. So initially I was like digital marketing, and then I realized it is digital marketing. Yes. So there are a lot of differences. You need to, know which one suits you, which you are good at, and then you can decide. Sometimes if you are in a confused state, things will go on. Okay. Someone will say, let's say I got selected in O3M. I am in a Google AdWords team. So somehow I got in that kind of position, right? So every day I'm learning something new, right? So it's Google I am a Google SEM team, I can say. So that's how things will go. Wherever you go, you can dedication plays a big role here.
So what was the favorite subject out of all the 18 modules that you did? What was your favorite
for
module?
me, I can say, so since I am, doing Google AdWords, I love to do Google Ads.
Google Ads.
Yeah, Google Ads is good for
me. Great. So you got placed at O3M. What is the package that you got there?
My package 25K and I'm getting 23 exact. You can say the take home is 23.
So that's about 3 lakhs per annum.
Yeah, it will come around 3.1 or something. Yes, 3 lakhs.
Yes, 3.1. Okay, amazing. So how did we help you in the placement process? Did we play any role at all in the placement process, or how did we, what happened in the placement process?
Yeah, again, I want to thank here, RFK and Digital Scholar team here. They're not only, teaching not only it's like an institute, it's like a family. There are a lot of friends. Everyone are sharing their knowledge. It's not like only those people can share their knowledge or something. So everyone is sharing their information based on their experience and all. And I was in a state. I was in a mind like only if I finish the course, they might assign, they might, they might share some information about some companies or something, and then. Even though if I got selected from Digital Scholar, I might, go on, based on the knowledge or qualification, I can go and attend the interview. But things are different here in Digital Scoring once again. So even though I am doing the course, within 1.5 months, I think this is the first company, O3M Directional Marketing, Arukya Anand, shared in the group. I was like, okay, why don't we give it a try? Even though I'm not good enough, maybe not only the knowledge matters, but apart from that, your dedication and your future goal matters. So I just went on and attended that interview, and now I am here. So again, so yes.
So you cracked the job within 1.5 months of the course, with just 1.5 months of knowledge.
Yeah,
and that knowledge only comes in the weekend, right? You're only spending 6 hours with us.
Yes.
Imagine how powerful, not to boast about us, but imagine, you learn in engineering colleges for 4 years, and after 4 years, people tell you that you're not fit for the job. Now here you spend almost about 20 or 30 hours, and people are like, please welcome, right? Everybody's like, welcome to the institute. Did you feel that kind of approach? Are you from the engineering background as well?
Yes, I got the question. And like, sometimes what will happen is, I always say experience matters, right? During maybe I wantedly got the engineering, or, sometimes parents will force us to do the thing, right? And when it comes to the interest, only then we will give our dedication 100%. So yeah, things will be like that. So wherever we go, we need to do the dedication. And now, again, I want to note these points, like, even though some people might say like, there are always, the world is here. You need to fight for it. Some might get placed like me, some might not. So don't lose the hope. They are sharing all the information. Maybe I got in O3M. Maybe in coming days, you might get more good companies than me. I'm not saying O3M is not a company. I'm just telling the fact. Okay. So don't lose the hope. Not all 100 people will get selected on the first day. True. Things they always, even though I got selected, I am still in the placement group, and they are sharing lot of profiles. Every day Arokya Anand is sharing lot of profiles, company profiles, and what are all the guys who are all like to move on, like, who is ready and all.
And so we also give the profiles according to your request, right? We know that you like Google AdWords, so that we find a company that is looking for Google AdWords. We're not just pushing the companies to you. You have a choice.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. We are making a choice here. the thing is, digital scholar will, share the profile of the company. If you guys are interested, then you guys can move on. If it is, if you think it suits your profile, then you can move on. So that is how it is going on. So and I just want to tell the people, like those who got, those who are not selected, please don't lose the hope. There are a lot of things will come. They are keep on sharing the profiles.
I'll just tell you something. Everybody got placed. Nobody got.
Yeah, I know. Everybody got placed. Yes, seriously. That is what I'm telling. Some people might think from the outer side, they leave, like only these people got placed. They are not, but not like that. They are keep on sharing the different kind of. Even I can say my friend Dhiru got selected. You know how much of package he got. So that's completely different. So yeah, that's what everybody are getting placed. Yes.
Superb.
Happy to hear also. Yes.
Superb, Raghul. Okay, so final few words. Did you have fun at Digital Scholar in terms of learning, in terms of, as a group? What do you think about the total fun criteria, of course, along with studies?
How can I say no to fun? When it comes to fun, me and Arvind will always be there, right? So whenever the fun comes, it's not only like an institute. We always have fun. Even in between the classes, we share some, funny talks. Those talks, I really miss those talks. So maybe currently I'm in a busy world, but I am really missing those, environment, atmosphere, everything I'm missing. I'm missing a lot of people right now. Even I missed the convocation. How the hell was the lockdown situations and all. But I really missing. I'm really missing.
Great, Raghul. Lovely talking to you. You have been one of the most entertaining students at Digital Scholar, and we had so much fun, in the entire offline batch. Yeah. So I hope to see you grow, and of course I will see you grow, and keep in touch. Thank you for doing this interview with us.
Thank you so much once again, Ricky, and all the best for I can say I'm sorry. Myself, all the best. Yes.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Raghul. And I'm going to see you again soon. Thank you so much.
Sure, Rishi. Yes. Thank you.